Hi friends, Namaskar. Today we are going to discuss four principles of the quality. Like suppose if any failures observed during your product or process, that time we have to check 4M, that is the man, material, method and machinery. Okay, this you can consider in short way that these four we can understood these are the four pillars of quality. Whenever any product fails, we have to focus on with respect to these four topics: man, material, machines and method. Suppose any principle like your man means those peoples are involved in the processing, those people are involved in the manufacturing activity process. That people should be trained, properly trained, their training report should be available, as well as they should be periodically trained on their respective tasks. If the people are not trained periodically, people may have tendency, that is the human behavior, people may have tendency to forget the trainings or practices or processes. So we have to take care about them, and they have to be trained periodically on their activities, processes and principles. Whatever the standard operating procedures with respect to task, they have to be trained periodically. Apart from this, if any major changes happen in the process, if any major discrepancies observed, sometimes we are going to update the procedure. So on that updated procedures, that people should be trained. The people like operator, workers, supervisor, managers, all the respective peoples should be trained on that particular SOPs. That is with respect to man. Second, method. Whatever method you are using, that method to be aware with each and every person who is a part of process. If any method change periodically or after any discrepancy observation or continuous improvement, as a part of continuous improvement, that method training should be imparted to all the concerned team members. If they are not trained, means there may be an opportunity to make some errors or unintentional error may occur. So in the methods, people should be properly trained, and the method should be fixed and finalized. The same method should be used by each and every person. It should not like that when the person is changed, method is changed, because method to be standardized, and whosoever person, whatever his experience, he should follow the same method with respect to the process. Third one is that machines. So whatever the machines we are using inside the factory, that all machines should be done for the preventive maintenance, periodic checks, any wear and tear that should be rectified and addressed. Any breakdown, it should be observed, it should be addressed and properly treated on time, so that the machines will be running in a continuous good condition, and there should not be any product failure with because of the machines. So in case any machine observe damage or discrepancy or breakdown, it should immediately noted to the engineering department or the senior management, so that proper rectification shall be done, and based on the rectification, proper corrective actions, preventive actions should be taken with respect to the machines. If machines are in good condition, your product may not be impacted. So we learnt about man, machines and method. Now fourth topic is that material. Whatever material we are using inside the process, that material should be standard quality. That material should not have any discrepancy, failures, rejected ratio or out of specification. If your material is on of standard quality and meets the specification, means that material is ready to use in the product, and there is no ambiguity in the process. If all the materials whatever we are using, it should comply to the specification and as per our expectation with respect to the product. So in this way, whenever we purchase the material, we have to take care about the specification, we have to take care about the GMP requirement, we have to take care about the approvals, vendor approved system is there. So all this scenario if in place, and whenever change in the material, that should be noted and governed through the change control. Because suppose we are using a particular specification material or particle size, and vendor has given you some different particle size material, that will be definitely impacted on the product mechanism. And whenever product is impacted, we are checking for the different causes, different scenarios, but it is very difficult to identify the exact cause. So to identify the exact cause, material specification, material grade, material particle size, material appearance, all the test parameter, assay, impurity, all these things should be within specification. And once all these four principles are complies to our respective specification, there is no failure or very minimal chances of the failure of the product. There may be a certain other reasons, and it is definitely there are certain reasons, but these four principles we have to govern during the investigation. Whenever any discrepancy observed in the product or in the process on the shop floor, or market complaint come, any product recall is happened, any issue on the shop floor, we have to consider these four things, basic things: man, material, method and machines. If all the things are okay, there is no ambiguity, there is no any issue, we can consider that all these things are in under control. And rest of the other reasons maybe we have to check periodically. There may be a certain reasons, but these four basic principles to be keep in mind. So this is the short means awareness about the 4M principle: man, material, machine and methods. So hope you understood this topic, and if there is any comment query, you can notate it and you can make it on the comment. And if you like any another topic, you can just comment it so that we can make a new topic and new video on the another topic. Thank you.